Greetings, my lovely viewers. Today we are going to look at how to find highest common factor. How to find highest common factor, which is HCF. So, first of all, we are going to find the factors of those numbers. After finding the factors, we find their common factors. From there, we get the highest factor. That's all. So, the example says, find the HCF of 8 and the 12. So, first of all, I'm going to find the factors of 8 and factors of 12. What are factors of a number? There are those numbers that can divide these particular numbers without what? Remainder. So, factors of 8 are 1 is always a factor of a number. Then 2, 3 cannot divide 8 without remainder. 4. Once you get the half of this number, the next one is that number, the particular number. Now, the second number is 12. So factors of 12. They are the numbers that can divide 12 without remainder. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cannot go, 6. I've gotten the half of this number, so the next one is the number 12. So I've gotten the factors of 8 and factors of 12. The next thing is to find the common factors. So common factors of 8 and the 12 are, now let's check the numbers they have in common. They have 1 in common, they have 2 in common, there is 3 here, there is no 3 here, so they don't have it in common. They have 4 in common, and that is all they have in common. So they have 1, 2, and a 4. So the next thing is to find the highest, which is the HCF. The highest HCF, which is the highest number they have in common. So looking at these common factors, which number is the highest among these 3 numbers is 4. So HCF of 8 and 12 is equal to what? 4. I believe it's clear. Now let's use another method in solving HCF of numbers. We can express each of this number as a product of its prime factor. So 8 can be written as 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 will give us what? 8. Now 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 3 will give us what? 12. So I've expressed each of this number as a product of prime factors. Now, what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers that is divisible by 1 and that number itself. Prime number has only 2 factors, 1 and that number itself. Remember that 1 is not a prime number. Examples of prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. 9 is not a prime number. Why? 9 can be divisible by 3. But I say that prime number has only 2 factors, 1 and that number itself. So, having done this now, I'll bring out the common factors. So, this and this, they have it in common. So I'll now write 2 times, they also have 2 again in common, and there is nothing again. So HCF of 8 and 12 is equal to 2 times 2 give us what? 4. So you see that we still have the same answer using the common factor method. I hope it's clear. Let's also solve one more problem on HCF. We are asked to find the HCF of 15 and the 20. So I'm going to express each of this number as a product of its prime factor. So 15 can be written as 3 times 5. You look at this factor, you can see they are prime factors. Now 20 can be written as 2 times 2 times 5. Now for me to find the HCF of 15 and 20, I'll bring out their common factors. So it's only 5 they have in common. So HCF of 15 and 20 is equal to 5. Assuming they have 2 or more numbers in common, you multiply those numbers and get your answer. Now find the HCF of 20 and the 36 and drop your answer in the comment section. Thank you.